some of my original collection. Here you can see some of them. It's a lot of the Series 1 toys. There's a lot of the original Jurassic World or Jurassic Park Series 1 figures complete with all their little parts. Some are not so complete, but there's a lot of them here. They all got their crazy capture gear. See that sun-kissed thing right there? I actually used to keep all of my original collection when I was little in that thing. That is what I toted around all my toys in. So there's some later ones here, some weird Series 2, Alan Grant, Harpoon Harrison, some other dude, I forget his name. He's one of the dino trackers that they made up. And excuse the noise, we're outside at a park. Oh, there comes Brachiosaurus now. He's gonna start demolishing everything and playing with them. There's some raptors over there. But it's gonna get very loud, as you can probably hear that airplane right now. That is because we're at Sunset Park. Why not film a video about Jurassic Park at a park? Because why not? Park, all you can park. And yeah, we just figured this would be cool. So we're gonna play with these things, we're gonna have some fun, and hopefully you guys can enjoy some of this stuff too. There's a command compound. There's actually 2 sets of fences that I've put together. I have the old fence set from Jurassic Park 3 that I mixed in with my original set from Jurassic Park 1, added some dinosaurs. There's a bunch of dinosaurs missing, dino damage pieces. Unfortunately, I don't know where some of those dino damage pieces are.
This guy has no eye.
No eye at all. He's a Cyclops Velociraptor, isn't he?
Yeah.
Cyclops. He's only got one eye. And there's other stuff going on. You can see there's dinosaurs being worked on. There's T-Rexes sneaking up on people. I got Nathan over there about to... There you go. See, now this is cool. Like, it's cool that we got to bring this stuff out. We don't do this very often because we actually spend about, what, an hour? It took us about an hour to get everything unboxed, set up, pieces put where they needed to go. So we don't do this very often. They usually just live in the closet, but we figured since the movie's coming out next week, you guys wanted to see it, I wanted to share it with you, and they wanted to play with them.
I haven't played with them in so long.
So there you go, they get to play with them. We get to have fun, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the crazy Jurassic Parkiness. What else we got here? We got cool things.
Stuck down there. I'm gonna cut open your stomach, mister. What?
What's you gonna know?
A Jurassic Park.
A Lost World Watch from Burger King? Sweet. Now you got there's the bull Rex, right?
Yeah.
That's the one that eats people, and he's got a little slit underneath his stomach where you can pull the guys back out if you need to. But he primarily is the T-Rex that's just gonna eat apples and bananas. Look at this guy. This is the big original T-Rex from the original Jurassic Park movie, and he can do cool things like break it in. Oh my God, he's breaking in. He's breaking in. And so all kinds of cool stuff like that. Now what's neat about this is having all these little pieces and all the little fence parts is you can reenact cool scenes from the movie. Like, let's take Tim Murphy here. Oh no! damage. Well, guys, that's just about going to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed watching us play with our dinosaur toys. You can see them back there. They are all packed up, and we're ready to go. Sad little Grumpysaurus. Bye. All right, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing all the Jurassic Park toys. If you want to see more, let us know down in the comments below. Hit the big red subscribe button floating over Nathan's head, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.